I'm going to show you how to fold hand towels using the fold thirds and thirds again. So lay your towel flat and just be aware of any detail that you have in your towel because we want to show that. Firstly, fold your towel in 1/3. Next, fold your detailed edge over, making sure that your edges meet, and then flip it over. Now you can see here that I've left a gap, and that just keeps the edges nice. And then we're going to fold into thirds again. Turning the towel over, and you'll have a really nice neat fold. When you repeat this the same for all your towels, they will all match up beautifully. We're showing that beautiful detail on the towels. Another option would be to pop them in a basket. Perfect for displays.